Yeah, everyone hears how we play. When you hear Simon Says, you do the action right away. If you do not hear Simon Says, you freeze and stay still. If you move by accident, that is okay. Just reset and jump back in. Ready? Listening ears on bodies under control. Simon Says jump in place. Simon Says clap your hands. Simon Says touch your toes, turn around. Oh no, did you move? Simon Says tap your shoulder. Simon Says stand on your right foot. Simon Says hop 2 times, touch your head, listen close. Oh no. Simon Says squat down low. Simon Says reach up high, blink your eyes. Was that a trick? Simon Says stomp your feet. Simon Says spin 1 time. Simon Says march in place. Clap 3 times, pause and think. Simon Says freeze like ice. Simon Says tap your knees, stand up tall. Uh-oh, check your ears. Simon Says balance on 1 foot. Simon Says take a deep breath. Simon Says wiggle your fingers, hop on your left foot. Did Simon say it? Simon Says twist side to side. Simon Says pat your back. Simon Says stretch to the sky. Sit down. Wait, not that one. Simon Says jog in place. Simon Says tiptoe quietly. Touch your shoulders, think before you move. Simon Says slow motion jump. Simon Says fast feet run. Simon Says hands on hips, spin again. Tricky, tricky. Simon Says tap your head. Simon Says squat and hold. Simon Says count to 3, jump up high, freeze if you did. Simon Says big stretch. Simon Says shake it out. Simon Says stand up strong. Great, great. Listening today. Now remember to stop and think before you act.